The child he holds had formed the stars, yet lay within these human arms. Joseph's tears begin to fall, for in this child is Lord of all. He whispers soft through gentle sigh, how could the King of heaven cry? And every prophecy he knew burned bright as morning broke anew. A father's heart in wonder stirred, for he had met the living word. When a father met the Savior, this is the night a father met the Savior. Where mortal love touched endless power, where calloused hands held worlds unborn, and bowed before the King just born, he felt eternity unfold. A miracle his arms could hold. Oh Bethlehem, behold this favor, the night a father met the Savior.
The weight of heaven in his hands, he traced the tiny infant face. God's perfect love wrapped in his grace, a guardian of prophecies,
protecting heaven's greatest gift. From Nazareth to Bethlehem, he carried hope for all of them. And now beneath this holy star, he knew at last who babies are.
The angel's words returned again, fear not, he comes to rescue men. Joseph bowed his heart undone to cradle God's begotten Son. When a father met the Savior, this is the night a father met the Savior. Where mortal love touched endless power, where calloused hands held worlds unborn, and bowed before the King just born, he felt eternity unfold. A miracle his arms could hold. Oh Bethlehem, behold this favor, the night a father met the Savior. The scriptures all converge from Abraham, who saw his day, to Moses leading Yahweh's way. From David's line the child arose, just as the ancient prophet spoke. From Nephi's vision clear and bright, to Samuel's promised day-long light. From Enoch's walk to Zion's call, this child would ransom, heal, and save all. The Father's tear-filled prayer, this is the night a father met the Savior. Where promise met its holy hour, the child who'd one day bear the cross now slept in arms that feared the cost. Joseph wept with reverent fear, for God himself was lying near. He felt creation's heartbeat favor, the night a father met the Savior.